Actually, my family is very excited to meet you, sir. This our product. Siya sila
Galing niyo po, galing niyo po. Morning po.
So this our product. We had the hot chocolate. Our hot chocolate is the one who won Gold Award in United Kingdom in 2019. So right after Delorich studied chocolate in Belgium, so we have here the products. So we have here are ready to eat. We will start from here. Both are roasted cacao nibs. So if you'll say roasted cacao nibs, the real cacao nibs, we coat it with milk chocolate and then white chocolate. So, and then we have also a crushed roasted nibs. We coat it with muscovado sugar. So since Bolano is not into dark, so they love more on sweet. So my mother innovated a product that will be into their taste. So she coated it with muscovado sugar. And we have the true dried fruits, dried mango with dark chocolate, and then dried pineapple with dark chocolate. And then this one is the banana chips we coated with milk chocolate, since bananas are intercrops of cacaos. So cacao tree, and between are the bananas. So the farmers are asking us to help to make a certain product out of their banana chips. So we coat it with milk chocolate, and this one is our version of milk chocolate with crushed cacao nibs. And this one is the 70% dark chocolate of Delorich. So, and then you have there our hot chocolate. You can enjoy.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
2019, we won a gold award in the United Kingdom in London.
The humble beginnings of this company is so inspiring. Starting with just 5 kilos of cacao beans, the income was barely enough to support their family of 7. Mr. Ricardo Polot, a former tricycle driver, and Mrs. Elsa Polot, once a street cleaner, decided to quit their day jobs to dedicate themselves full-time to their business after their daughter, Delorich, graduated from college in 2009. And the rest is history.
So this one is our 100% dark chocolate.
Wow.
Some people will eat the whole 100% because they, of course, they believe, and we also believe that's healthy.
Ma'am, sa'yo to, ma'am.
Ay, sige, thank you po. Ay, sayang di kita nabigyan.
No sugar yet, so it's up to you if you put sugar.
Okay.
But if you are not into dark chocolate, you need a sugar.
Ayun yung butter yung mismo.
Yeah. Hindi namin in-extra yung cocoa butter.
Ito yung hindi ko pa nasubukan, sir. Kaya,
Chocolate,
tayo
yung
na yan.
Ang core na nila.
Kay,
Mm.
lagyan ko ng sugar ng kaunti.
Actually, my family is very excited to meet you, sir.
Salamat po.
When BBC called us, magbisita kasi pag Sir Alan na ang tumatawag namin.
Love na love namin.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ito yung
Kakao.
Little papaya.
Ganda.
Hawakan mo.
Hawakan mo nga itong iyo.
Ang papaya nga.
Malaitan yan kasi maihi.
Iba nga.
Mama, more pa?
Ang ganda po nito.
Sarap sa
Kautan na, kare. Inong po sa karaang balay.
Pagkatlan na.
Oo, mawali sa una.
Grabe yung
Mga
umor.
ipon, gila naman ito.
Milo-milo, ray, ano?
Nagsislice yung
Luwang
meat there.
Wow.
Pwede tikman.
Pwede tikman?
Parang mangosteen.
Parang mangustin.
Kuya, kain po.
Pero ang lisod.
Kain tayo.
So, kain mo na.
Sawa na
Pork kakao.
marami sa tabi sa bahay.
Pork kakao.
Parang mangustin nga.
Bali,
Kakao.
ito lang po yung nakakain. Ito po hindi.
Oh, hindi. oh.
Ilag yung
Yung
seed.
picture na nakadikit sa buto, yan
Manak,
ang
manak.
matamis yan kung ginagawa.
Tapos dinadry siya para maganda.
Yeah.
Oh, yan.
Ito yung hinog na.
Yung buto,
Try natin.
Ano
yun yung
pinagkaiba?
ginagawa.
Hinog na kakao.
Ano po nangyayari doon sa flesh pag pinagagawa kayo ng
No, we will draw.
Fresh ano.
Oh, price na eh.
Fresh.
So sa kamin, kakuan,
Medyo malambot na.
Kani. Oh,
Thank you po.
Harap.
sa'yo na.
Yung seeds, pwede mo ilagay sa soil, and then tututubo yun. That's one. Yung kinainan nyo.
Babalikan po namin kayo na year 2020.
Okay, so paano po kayo nag-start mag-market? Ganun. Sa mga suki. Peddling lang.
Ang swerte naman nila, nakuha nila dati, ano yung mura. Tapos ang hirap pa nang gawin kasi isa lang sila yan.
And then mama started for how many kilos of cacao?
2 ka kilo.
2 kilos.
2 kilos.
2 kilos. Bag manual. Kay parang makatabang ko sa akong bana kay tricycle driver. Walang pira pa nung paaral sa mga anak ko.
Jake,
Moto na nagwalis ko ng karsada. Kaya gawa na pag uwi sa bahay namin, gawa na ko ng pag-iyak. House to house na mapalit ba
Plaza.
pag
Plaza Rizal.
na kumana si Dalares o si Irene na wala na po na walis ng karsada 4 years po ra nagwalis kay na wala man silang pang tuition pay pag na mo to pag ni-focus na ko sa mga business sa Taglia no to na deliver ko sugod sa supermarket.
Ang galing!
Ang mga store na diliran ko na wala na ko sabi nila namatay na ako.
Wala na, wala na.
Wala na po nag house to house. Nasyak sila pag dito na ang building ko.
Ang galing niyo po. Ang galing niyo po.
Nasyak sila. Sabi nila wala na dahil ko maglakad-lakad na kuhan kay supermarket na daw o mga mall, mga big na puno store.
Siguro
Sila na yung lumalapit sa'yo.
Nasyak sila. Buhit pa ko. Wala ko po namatay.
Ang pahaba ng buhay yung chocolate eh.
Oo. Yung mga old, mga lolos.
Dito na yung mga sample namin mga tabliya. Ito yung maliit nga box. Ito yung maliit din. Ito yung malagyan. Tabliya yan.
All tablaya.
Unsweetened.
Unsweetened tablaya.
100%. So,
Yan ang
this one,
recommendation nito, paano po
Anong-
siya ginagamit?
For hot chocolate,
Hindi yung tubig.
Sa sausaw?
every cup of water, 2 to 3 like this. So, if you're using this both, 3 to 4. So, we have na the fruiter.
Queen ng chocolates dito sa Bohol. Tablea.
Buti nga daw nagtulo. Tatlo lang ha, tatlo.
Tatlo.
Kaya nang dali na makuan.
Tatlo. Para if you will travel, pwede na. That one.
Ang bilis siya matunaw ang galing.
Ito na.
Tama ito.
Pwede na.
Sige, test.
Pero no sugar pa na.
Okay lang.
So, mag-open ang
Taste natin.
pero dalang sugar tao. Song lang, tinong lang yun.
Sarap. Kahit walang sugar, masarap.
Sugar pure.
Tsaka iniwasan na natin yung sugar.
After visiting the Dial-Rich Chocolate House, our stomachs were full and our hearts were even fuller. Your family story truly inspired us. Your humility is the reason why you are so blessed. Thank you, Paulot family, and thank you everyone for watching this vlog. See you on the next one!